Hello again, my friend. Please watch this video for an important announcement and do not close this page. Stay with me for just a few minutes because I want to tell you about our brand new Sqribble add-on technology that will take your ebook downloads, sales, and profits off the charts. Introducing Sqribble Fantasia 3D. This offer is for an incredible 2-in-1 software bundle that you're really going to love because it's going to solve your next problem and help you make more money. You see, after you create your next ebook with Sqribble, you'll need to represent it with an ebook cover. Now, you already know that design makes a huge difference to your ebook sales and downloads. People judge a book by its cover, and if you've ever browsed book titles in a store or on Amazon, then you'll know that the better the cover, the more chance people will download it, irrespective of the content inside. But how do you do this without hiring expensive designers or using complicated software? What if you could bring your ebooks and reports to life in minutes with jaw-dropping and attention-grabbing 3D covers? Well, now you can. Upgrade to Sqribble Fantasia 3D to unlock a 3D ebook cover maker right inside your Sqribble dashboard. And magically bring your ebooks and reports to life. Grab more attention and boost sales overnight. Choose from 10 different 3D models. Fully customize your 3D ebook cover inside a powerful 3D editing screen. Click, point, and drag to change your 3D cover edge styles, borders, shadow effects, fonts, corner styles, text positioning, paragraph styles, columns, and so much more. Then, save your 3D cover as an image that can be used in all your marketing, on your blog, landing pages, sales pages, social media, and more. You can choose from 10 different 3D cover styles. From reports and checklists to books and training guides, there's a 3D cover to suit any type of project you're working on. You also get unlimited storage for your 3D covers inside your Sqribble account, so you can save your designs and come back to them whenever you want. But that's not all. We're even more excited to tell you about this. With Sqribble Fantasia 3D, you'll now be able to create your own flipbooks too. Flipbooks are interactive ebooks and PDFs. In fact, the biggest brands online like Google, Audi, Amazon, BMW, Intel, Xerox, NASA, JP Morgan, McAfee, Groupon, and more are using flipbooks. Flipbooks make content attractive, user-friendly, and easily shareable, presenting a more dynamic experience than a PDF with nothing to download. Do you want to create an interactive and highly engaging experience for your readers, just like the billion-dollar companies do? Then upgrade to the Sqribble Fantasia 3D package today and unlock the powerful flipbook feature. Turn your PDFs into an addictive flipbook that keeps people reading from page to page. Flipbooks are proven to increase engagement with readers. Why? Because they feel and look like real books as you turn the pages and consume the content. It's why Amazon's Kindle readers are so popular, which account for more than 80% of ebook sales online. And remember, the more engaging your ebook is, the more likely your readers will get value from you and read all the way through to your call to action. The most amazing feature is you'll now be able to insert real links into the pages that users can click on as they read. Add links to build your list, sell your offers, affiliate products, or to anything else online. You can even edit the backgrounds, positioning, lighting, sound effects, share URL, and embed options with a few simple clicks. In fact, our new revolutionary flipbook technology allows you to showcase any content in this unique way. Maybe you're creating a recipe guide and want to convey your cooking instructions and food images beautifully with impact, and make it easily shareable across Facebook groups for more exposure. Or maybe you're creating a fitness ebook with content, nutritional charts, and exercise diagrams, and want users to engage in a more fun and interactive way. A flipbook would be an innovative and creative way to do it, and gain more business. Then when you're ready to share your content with the world, simply tap a button to publish your flipbook, complete with a shareable URL. And watch free traffic pour in. Want to embed your flipbook on your website? No problem. Just use the flipbook widget and place it anywhere you want. Your flipbook even has a mobile-friendly and responsive layout to maximize readership on any device. So if you want the edge over your competition, a way to stand out from the crowd with stunning, lifelike 3D ebook covers that look like $1 million, and If you want to keep your readers glued to your content with immersive, interactive, and user-friendly flipbooks that have animated pages which turn like in real life, then this is for you. Today, you get 2 supercharged software add-ons with the Sqribble Fantasia 3D package. 1. Ebook Cover Maker. 2. Flipbook Creator. These important add-ons plug straight into your current Sqribble software with nothing to download or install, and ready to use immediately. However, this is a limited one-time only offer. Once you leave this page, there won't be another opportunity to get Sqribble Fantasia 3D at this incredibly low price. When the special offer ends, we're going to raise the price to $247, and even that is a steal, considering bigger companies are paying thousands of dollars for this technology. You also get a full 30 days to test this out, and if it's not for you, just let us know. No questions asked. Plus, if you act within the next few minutes, we're also going to throw in a commercial license worth $497 so you can create covers and flipbooks for your clients for profit. Simply click on the button below to add on Sqribble Fantasia 3D to your software right now before this offer expires.